And also let's read some examples from our textbook. Okay, so let's see the note from textbook. So here, in this part, right, this part, you can see some examples about this kind of question, like a verb, verb, right? And also we have here adjective, adjective, right? So we call this kind of question is affirmative negative question, right? So let's read some examples. The first one, 你冷不冷? Are you cold or not cold? So 冷 means cold. Are you feeling cold? Like 你冷不冷? Are you cold or not cold? 你们累不累? So in text 3, we are going to learn the adjective 累 means tired. Like are you tired or not tired? 西山漂亮不漂亮? The West Mountain is beautiful or not beautiful. So 漂亮 we have learned. Beautiful. The next one. 你去不去? You going or not going? 你喝不喝茶? 喝 means to drink. Like, do you drink tea or not? 你看不看电影? Do you watch a movie or not? Right? And also, we have this kind of type, like with adjective, not the verb and the adjective, right? So verb 1, 不 verb 1, and then we continue with a verb 2. And its object, right? Like 你去不去看电影? 你去不去看电影? Are you going or not going to watch a movie, right? And 你想不想买电脑? Like 想 want to do something, willing to do something. Like do you want or not want to buy a computer, right? Okay, so this is a new type of question which is called affirmative negative question. And when you're answering this kind of question, you directly say, so the affirmative part or negative part without saying 是 or 不是, because this is not a yes or no question. Okay? Okay, let's come back to the text 2. Okay? And now please answer the 3 questions according to the content of text 2. So the first one, let's read the question together. The first one. So 马丁的朋友这个星期天忙不忙? Okay, so Martin's friend, right? 这是的 like Martin's friend, this Sunday busy or not busy, right? So is Martin's friend busy or not busy this Sunday, right? So how would you answer? 马丁的朋友不忙, right? 马丁的朋友这个星期天不忙. So Martin's friend this Sunday is not busy, right? And next question. 马丁这个星期天做什么? Okay, 马丁这个星期天做什么? So what is Martin going to do this Sunday, right? 马丁这个星期天做什么? So how would you answer? The answer will be here. So 马丁这个星期天去爬山. So Martin is planning to go to Climb Mountain this Sunday, right? And last question. 马丁的朋友也想去吗? So Martin's friend also want to go. Okay, so how would you answer? Right, the answer will be here. So 马丁的朋友也想去爬山也想跟马丁一起去爬山. So Martin's friend also want to go to Climb Mountain with Martin, right? Okay, so this is text 2. And now let's move into the text 3, the last text of this lesson 10. Okay, so also first please let's learn the new words and expressions together of text 3. Okay.
课文3生词
大家累觉得休息一下小茶馆茶喝一点儿
Okay, let's read together again. 大家累觉得休息 一下，小，茶馆，茶，喝，一点儿。Okay, so let's confirm the meaning of each word or expression. The first one, okay, it's a pronoun, means like all, everybody, everyone. So you can hear at the beginning of each lesson, so I say 大家好, 大家好. So hello everyone. So I use 大家, right? So which means everybody, everyone, okay? So 大家好, hello everyone, hello everybody, okay? And next one,累 is the adjective means tired. 累, are you tired? 你累吗? So we can use yes, this yes or no question. 你累吗? And also we can make an affirmative negative question. So 你累吗? We can say 你累不累? Okay, 你累不累? Okay, so when you make a yes, like affirmative, negative question, we say 你累不累? Because this is not a yes or no question, so we don't use ma at the end. So please also pay attention to this point. Okay, so 你累不累? Stop. Okay, so we never say 你累不累吗? Okay, we don't use this. So please do not mix up these two types of question. So we use ma for yes or no question, and you say 你累吗? That's okay. And we use verb or not verb, like 你累不累? So without ma for affirmative and negative question. Okay. And next one, 觉得 think, feel, 觉得 觉得 I feel, I think, I'm tired, 我觉得很累 我觉得很累 I feel tired. Okay. And next one, 休息 take a breath, have a rest, 休息 okay. 休息 你休息吗? You want to 你想休息吗? You want to take a rest, so 你想休息吗? And next one is a important expression, okay? 一下 一下. So in spoken Chinese, like we usually add a at the end. So like this is a 一下, like 一下. So in spoken Chinese, usually we say 一下, 一下, 休息一下. So this is an expression that used after a verb to indicate one action or one try. Okay, so later we'll repeat this again. So like to take a rest a little bit. So you can say 休息一下, 休息一下, right? So to indicate this is a one action, not won't be lasting too long. It's just one try, a little bit. You do this action just for a little bit, not too much. And this action won't be lasting very long time. Okay, so which means this is what 一下 means. Okay, so 休息一下, to rest a little bit. And next one, 小 small, little. And 茶馆 is a noun, tea house, which in which 茶 means tea. Okay, so this 馆 we also learned 饭馆, like a restaurant, and 图书馆 library, right? 图书馆. So they also share the same 馆. So you can guess the meaning of this 馆. It's kind of like a house, a building, right? This kind. And 茶 means tea. And to drink, 喝, right? To drink, 喝茶, to drink tea. And the last one, 一点儿, a little, a bit. And this is similar to 一下, but 一点儿 is used to modify noun, basically. Like usually we use like 一点儿 to modify a noun, okay? Like to drink a little tea, we can say 喝一点儿茶, 喝一点儿茶, to drink a little tea, right? And 一下, usually we use 一下 to modify an action. This action is just a little bit, not too much, won't lasting too long, just one try, okay? So now let's come into the content of text 3, okay? It's also a conversation. It's a conversation between Cui Hao, Lin Na, and Martin. Okay, and the scenery is like 崔浩 let's read together 崔浩和朋友们一起在西山爬山 okay so 崔浩 is climbing the west mountain with his friends at the west mountain okay 崔浩和朋友一起在西山爬山 so this is the scene of text 3 so you can imagine several friends they are climbing mountains at the west mountain okay now let's listen to the recording first.
课文
大家累不累？
累，
我也觉得很累，我们休息一下吧。
前边有一个小茶馆，我们去那儿喝一点茶，好不好？
好啊。
Okay, so let's read again. Please read after me. 大家累不累？累，我也觉得很累，我们休息一下吧。前边有一个小茶馆，我们去那儿喝一点茶，好不好？好啊。Okay. So the first line is just a affirmative negative question. We just learned this kind of type of question in Chinese, right? So 大家累不累? Everybody tired or not tired, right? And you can pay attention to the pronunciation of this kind of question. So the bu in between is read as a neutral tone, right? So we read 大家累不累, right? So 累不累? So this bu is read as a neutral tone here. So does everybody feel tired or not? And Lina answered 累 tired tired. So you can see Lina didn't answer with 是 because this is not a yes or no question, right? There's no ma, right? So you can directly answer with the affirmative part or the negative part, right? So 大家累不累? 累 or you can say 不累, right? Martin says 我也觉得很累，我们休息一下吧。I also feel very tired. We rest a little bit. This ba like means kind of indicates a kind of suggestion, right? A suggestion. Like how about something, right? This is ba when you're giving a advice or suggestion, and you can use this ma to make it a very mild tone, right? 我们休息一下吧 How about we take a rest a little bit? How about let's take a rest for a little bit? Okay, so this 一下 means this rest won't be lasting too long time, just one try. Like let's take a rest a little bit, won't be too long time, just one try. Okay, and next line, 崔浩 says 前边有一个小茶馆. So the front, at the front, in front, so there is a small tea house. 我们去那儿喝一点茶，好不好？我们去那儿喝一点茶，好不好？So let's go there to drink a little tea. So you can see this a little, like this 一点 so we put before a noun. So 一点 modify 茶 modify the tea. So 我们喝一点茶 we drink a little tea. So we won't drink too much tea. Okay, you can understand in this way. So 一点茶 means a little bit. 好不好？好不好？ Okay, again. So at front, in front, there is a little tea house. Let's go there to drink a little tea. 好不好? Is that okay or not? Okay. And everybody answered 好啊. Great. Okay. All right. No problem. Okay. So 好啊. So here, in this context, we focus on like two small expression with 一下 and 一点 and you should tell the difference between 一下 and 一点. So 一下 is attached, attached, or we say used after a verb. It's like 休息一下 to rest a little bit. So how about to look a little bit? You can say 看一下 like 看一下 okay. And next one, 一点儿, so we put 一点儿 before a noun, basically, like 一点儿茶, a little tea, 一点儿茶, and also, you can make some other expressions by yourself, okay, like 一点儿, like a little rice, a little meal, like 一点儿饭, 一点儿饭, okay, a little bread, 一点儿面包, like we have learned 面包, let's eat a little bread, 吃一点面包, 吃一点面包. So this 一下 and 一点, okay. There is a quick note is here, so let's quickly go through. So for 一下, like 一下 is used after a verb indicating a short moment. Sometimes it also means for once or for a try, right? Okay. And 一点儿, like comparing to 一下, means a little. It is used as an attribute before a noun. So, which we just said, like we put 一下, 一点儿, sorry, 一点儿 before a noun, like, to make it attributed to the noun, okay? So in spoken Chinese, like 一 is often omitted, okay? So 我买一点苹果, like I buy a little apple, maybe several, 2 apples maybe, right? And this 一 can be omitted in spoken Chinese. You can directly say 我买一点苹果, 我买一点苹果, okay? 我们喝一点水吧, let's drink. So this is ba, like give suggestion. Let's drink a little water. And in spoken Chinese, this 一 can be omitted. So you can directly say 我们喝点水吧. And next one, 我有一点事儿, I have a little bit of business. Right? So 一 can be omitted. So you can directly say 我有点事儿, I have a little business. Right? Okay, so that's all for text 3, and that's all for the lesson 10. And today we don't have homework to submit. Okay? We don't have homework you need to submit through the system. Okay? Because this semester is ending. This semester is approaching to its end. So we have just one more week class, and then we're going to have a final exam. So from this week on, please make a review by yourself for the final exam. And today, I give you a content of the key review for the final exam. So this is today's homework. This is not the homework you need to submit through the system like Euro. It's just like a review. And this is very, very important for your final exam. Okay? So these are the pages and the exercise number. Okay? So we are going to have final written exam all from our textbook. And these are the most important exercise for you to review. Okay? So pages and exercises. So please do review by yourself. Okay? Okay, that's all for today.